Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals, some wild animals and some safari animals. Are you ready, toddlers? Do you want to learn their names? Let's start the video. The first one is a peacock. This is a peacock. P is for peacock. This is a cow. This is a cow. This is a hen. H is for hen. This is a lion. This is a lion. This is a dog. This is a rooster. This is a panda. This is a deer. This is a lioness. This is a tiger. This is a donkey. This is a donkey. This is a camel. This is a gorilla. This is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. This is a sheep. This is a hippopotamus. This is elephant.